Hi, my name is Magic Leo. I'm an international hypnosis mentor and I have trained many people around the world. And now it's your turn. Before I invite you to join my 2 days certified hypnosis workshop, I would like to ask you some profound questions. Do you want to bring change in your life? Do you want to get rid of your limitations just like fear, phobia, frustrations, depression, anger, anxiety, procrastination, which stops you from becoming successful? Do you want to become confident, focused, disciplined, intuitive, spontaneous, courageous, peaceful, calm, and happy? Do you want fame, name, money, love, happiness, good health, good relationship? Do you want to hypnotize others and empower yourself? If the answer is yes, this is the workshop you are looking for. You can use hypnosis anytime, anywhere, with anyone. In your business, in your profession, with your colleagues, with your friends, in any gathering, with your family, with your relationship, in parenting, in interview, in presentation, in sales closing. It's a one-time investment you can afford to make your life effective, effortless, and easy for lifetime. Take action right now. Sign up for this workshop. Call us at 965 011 0360 so that you can confirm your seat. This is Magic Leo signing off for the time being. See you in the workshop. Till then, stay blessed.